Hi there, I'm Robin, and I told you I'd make a chowder for you today. I am using red waxy potatoes and almond milk. Start by adding some of your favorite oil. I use avocado oil. I'm using Mirepoix in equal parts. Okay, now my carrots are a little bit softer. I'm adding the celery and onions, and I'm going to cook that until my onions are clear. Like translucent. You have to let it cook. Now you'll add in the tiny diced peppers and stir them around. I just cooked these for a very little time. Now I'm adding the red potatoes, parboiled and tiny diced. And I stir those around, cook them out, and then we just let it cook for a few minutes. Then I'm going to add in the corn. You can use fresh or frozen. I'm using, or canned, because that's what I'm using. And I used 3 cans for this recipe. And you can find the full recipe and ingredients on the video description. Now stir in your corn, let it cook a little while. I'm going to add in 32 ounces of water. You can add chicken stock if you'd like. I'm using a chicken base, that's why I used water. Then I'm adding in my base, and I'm going to stir that around real good. Then I'm going to add in my other liquid, which is almond milk. You can use cream or milk for this. And now I'm going to be adding my seasoning. I'm going to use my all-purpose seasoned salt for this. I'm going to put in some regular salt and black pepper. And then I need to bring this to a boil. And so that takes a few minutes, and you guys can play with this, maybe put cream or whole milk in so that it's creamier. This, to me, is a really good low-fat option. So now it's coming to a boil, and I'm putting my slurry in all at once. You need to mix this all around, mix it thoroughly to a smooth consistency. Now that it's smooth and creamy, it only means one thing. Let's dish it up. I'm going to garnish with fresh cut green onions, some crispy bacon, and I also have some fresh cut rosemary flowers to top it all off. It's beautiful. Time to eat. Thank you for watching our video.
Don't condone it, truth be told. Yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night.